When you talk about Ford F-150 exhaust sound, you're talking about an entire personality for your truck. You could roll up to the store and barely hum, or you could announce yourself a block away like you're competing in the loudest neighbor Olympics. The most common pain point is probably when your stock F-150 sounds a little too much like a hairdryer. Ford builds them that way for noise regulations, but even a 400 horsepower V8 can sound, let's face it, wimpy when muffled. Now, a simple muffler swap can literally double your decibels. Numbers-wise, you're going from about 72 dB up toward 90 dB or more, which doesn't just make you feel like a boss, it wakes up anyone within earshot. Science has spoken. If you crave that deep, throaty rumble, look for a catback or axleback exhaust kit. These swap out everything from the catalytic converter backward. The best part, install can be a driveway project for anyone with a wrench and a YouTube tutorial. No surprise, the two most popular F-150 exhaust mods are Flowmaster and Borla. Each makes your truck sound like Darth Vader at an opera. Borla leans richer. Flowmaster is all about that pop and roar. Your neighbors will definitely have opinions. A huge pain for people is drone, like when your truck vibrates your ears out at 70 miles per hour. Pro tip, look for systems specifically rated as low drone. The market is big. Don't just grab whatever's shiny and on sale. Cold starts are where upgraded exhaust systems absolutely flex. A modified F-150 in cold Oregon mornings can sound like you've just woken up Bigfoot. Snap, crackle, pop. Personally, I love it. The echo off the wet pavement is half the fun. There is an art to tuning the exhaust. Do you want aggressive at idle? Or are you planning highway road trips and want something tamer at cruise? This isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Figure out your pain tolerance and your neighbor's patience. DIY versus professional install is the age-old debate. It saves you about $150 to $400 to do it yourself, but a pro shop usually gets it done faster, with better welds. If you strip a bolt, you'll know what regret smells like. Pro tip, if you tow or carry loads, be careful with certain straight pipe or resonator delete mods. Sometimes you lose torque in the low end. Suddenly, your 5.0 sounds wild but can't haul Grandpa's boat up a slight incline. Embarrassment. Imminent. If you ever want to be fancy, get an electronic cutout system. With the flip of a switch, you can go from subdued to my kid is waking up the neighborhood instantly. Yes, it's legal in some places. Read your local laws unless you enjoy citations. Exhaust sound is weirdly tribal. Some folks love a raspy setup. Some want that smooth, old-school V8 sound. All I know is after you upgrade, driving feels like an event, not a commute. Numbers or not, it's one of the highest return on fun investments per dollar. Whether you're in wet Portland or a dry desert, the moment your F-150 barks awake in the morning, that's when it stops just being a truck. It's an announcement. If you're looking for smiles per gallon, this should top your list.